So once the product is made, it's brought into here, ready for the distributor to pick it up. As you can see right here, we got the warehouse packaging. So that'll be one big drop. This right here goes to individual distributors. We have distributors in different areas such as San Jose, Oregon, LA, Las Vegas. We'll put them in those trucks and they'll ship out. This is also where we do all the inventory and keep count of what each distributor takes out. As you can see right there, we got an individual that's keeping inventory and jotting down every piece by every unit. All the product in this here is maintained at between 28 and 30 degrees. You can see the degree chart up there, the show. And we also do gallons. We do gallon size, which will go out to hotels and restaurants, comedy clubs, or whatnot throughout the Bay Area.